Bye.
February 1st, first day on keto. Yay! I know. Amaya's in the back. Tony's right here. Getting ready to cook some chicken. And, yep. Here she comes, I think. Maybe not. Hopefully she's just sitting back there. She's watching Doc McStuffins right now while I record, so I can record. But just want you to see him. He's here. He's here. He's cooking. And you can...
Not keto.
Actually...
No.
You are. You cooking chicken? Well, he's frying it. I'm gonna...
Fried chicken? String beans?
I can eat string beans.
And mashed potatoes.
I can't eat mashed potatoes. And I can't have the Dunkin' Donuts that he went to get this morning.
Yum.
Anyway, let me tell you. Did you want to stay?
For what?
Don't want to talk.
No, I got things to do. I got to cook, so you can go cook. No,
say bye.
You keep on doing what you're doing.
Bye. Okay. Well, started officially at midnight. You would have thought I was in jail with my last meal on death row or something like that, because I was counting down the hours like, oh, I can't have any sugars after, I can't eat anything. And so my last meal last night at 11 o'clock was spaghetti. I boiled some noodles, I don't know, a couple of months ago maybe, and drained them and put them in the freezer and froze them. And actually it was really quick because Amaya likes them. So I took them out of the freezer, dumped them in some hot water, and they like thawed immediately, were ready to eat. And I took just a jar of pasta sauce and poured it in it and called it a day. And that's what I wanted. I wanted spaghetti. I've been craving spaghetti. So I'm going to definitely try out some of those. There's one...
She wasn't craving my spaghetti.
No, I was not craving your spaghetti. His spaghetti is very good, but it is very sweet. And it's got tons of meat and sausage in it. And it's really good. It's just... I can't do that on keto. I just can't. I will never lose weight if I eat that.
The sweetness comes from love.
Oh, see that love? What's love got to do? I won't get it. I'm sorry. So, I showed you this morning. I'm not sure if I'm going to. Actually, I'm going to put it on after this. I showed you the meter that I used for the glucose testing, which is Rely On. I got that at Walmart. And Ketosens is a keto meter, a ketone meter. And I'll put up here, or yeah, I think it's over here, the glucose scale where you should be in the morning if you're not diabetic or pre-diabetic. I'll put that up over here. And after, I'm going to put up the ketone optimal range where you want to be. And I believe it's between 1.0 to 3.0. So I was 0.1 this morning, so nothing. And obviously, because I wasn't following a low-carb diet. So what I'm going to be doing, excuse me, what I'm going to be doing is keeping my, I'm going to be keeping my carbs down to 20 grams or less. I am following a little bit of Dr. Berg's plan and the one that page for Dr. Westman, but my vegetables, I'm just going to make sure I get a good, you know, it says, Dr. Berg says 7 to 10 cups, and he does not count that on your carbs because it's so small of an amount of carbs. leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, cabbage, kale, cucumbers, things like that. I'm going to be eating that and not necessarily looking at the carb count on there. If it comes to a point where my weight stalls, then I will count those carbs specifically. But thinking back when I did it before, I don't think, I might have counted it, I'm not sure. This is black coffee, and I haven't had black coffee in, I don't even know. It's been so long. But I'm trying to keep my fasting window, or just trying to not eat until I'm hungry. I am not hungry right now. Last time I ate was midnight, so, 11 o'clock. So it is somewhere, what time is it, Michael?
10:19.
It's 10:19, so it's only been about 11 hours. I want to try to just do 2 meals a day and see how that goes. But we'll see what my hunger is like, because I don't want to eat until I'm hungry. At first I thought, ooh, I'm a little bit hungry, and I drank some water, and that went away. So I'm going to follow Dr. Berg a little bit regarding the eating window, where I'll eat around 11, 12, and then my dinner meal around 6:30, and then not eat until the next day around the same time. And that's to keep my insulin levels low. And that's another story. I'll let you watch Dr. Berg on that one, because he does an excellent job in talking about that. So my weight this morning, Michael, grab that phone over there. Oh, actually, honey, can you grab that?
I can't cook and do these little errands too.
He can't do the things. I know. It would have been leaning like 5 inches for me or something like that. I don't know.
I'm not following Dr. Bird. I'm following Dr. Pierce.
Winter storm warning.
Okay, I better stop.
Okay, I'm going to show you this. So it was 245.8. Oh! And what's nice about this app,
Yeah.
it gives you a lot of information. It gives this metabolic age of 63. That's what I'm focusing on, along with the weight. I don't like being metabolically 63. It might feel that way, but hey, that's it. But I'm not going to keep this too long, because hubby said don't make it too long, because he's cooking some food and it's smelling good, and it's making my tummy feel a little hungry. But I'm going to see how long I can wait. I will get back with you.
Until it gets done?
Until it gets done. I'm going to be good. I'm going to look good.
I got string beans.
So, anyway, I will show you the meter and show you my readings this morning, and then I will get back with you in a few days to let you know how things are going. So, see you on the next video. Bye. This first meter is my Rely On blood glucose meter, and my reading this morning was 107 fasting. A little on the insulin resistant side. Got a little insulin resistance going on. And my next meter is my Keto Sense meter. And my reading is 0.1. Not in ketosis at all. So here are the meters side by side. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Here's my first meal of the day. Grilled chicken over a bed of leafy greens and guacamole. And along with that, I had a bulletproof coffee right here with unsweetened cocoa. Yum. I'll show you tomorrow's meal on the next video.